Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vibrant Health Project. I'm stoked to have you here. Today, we're diving into the world of mindful movement with two incredible practices, Pilates and Yoga. Are you ready to feel stronger, more flexible, and balanced? Let's explore these amazing practices and find the perfect fit for you. Get ready to move your body and challenge your mind. We're about to unlock a world of health and wellness together. Pilates and yoga might seem similar at first glance. Both involve controlled movements, focused breathing, and a mind-body connection. But trust me, they each have a unique personality. Pilates, created by Joseph Pilates, hones in on core strength, muscle control, and precise movements. Picture long, lean muscles and improved posture. Yoga, on the other hand, is an ancient practice originating in India. It connects breath, movement, and meditation for a holistic approach to well-being. Think increased flexibility, reduced stress, and inner peace. Both Pilates and yoga are rock stars when it comes to building strength, flexibility, and balance. These practices have been around for decades, each with its own unique approach to fitness and wellness. While they share some similarities, they also have distinct differences that cater to various needs and preferences. But they each have their own way of getting you there. Pilates focuses on precision and control, often using specialized equipment like the reformer to enhance the workout. Yoga, on the other hand, emphasizes fluidity and mindfulness, often incorporating breath work and meditation. Pilates is like a sculptor, chiseling your muscles with controlled, repetitive movements. It's a method that zeroes in on your core, the powerhouse of your body, to build a strong foundation. The exercises are designed to be low impact but highly effective, making it suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. It strengthens your core, improves posture, and boosts stability. Over time, you'll notice enhanced muscle tone and a greater sense of balance. Pilates also helps in injury prevention by focusing on proper alignment and muscle engagement. Yoga, like a dancer, flows through poses that lengthen and strengthen muscles while enhancing flexibility and range of motion. It's a holistic practice that not only works on your physical body, but also aims to bring mental clarity and emotional calm. The various styles of yoga, from hatha to vinyasa, offer something for everyone. No matter your fitness level, both practices can be tailored to your needs. Modifications and variations ensure that whether you're a beginner or an advanced practitioner, you can find a routine that challenges you without overwhelming you. Instructors often provide options to make exercises easier or more difficult, depending on your capability. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, Pilates and yoga offer incredible benefits. They complement each other beautifully, providing a well-rounded approach to fitness that enhances both body and mind. So why not give both a try and discover which one resonates with you the most? Your body will thank you for it. Pilates, power up your core. Pilates is all about building a powerhouse from the inside out. It focuses on strengthening the deep core muscles that support your spine and improve overall stability. This practice uses specialized equipment like the reformer and the Cadillac, adding resistance to challenge your muscles and improve strength and endurance. Pilates is known for its ability to alleviate back pain, improve posture, and enhance athletic performance. It's a favorite among dancers, athletes, and anyone looking to move with greater ease and strength. Yoga, harmony of mind and body. Yoga is a journey inward, connecting your breath, body, and mind. It is a practice that transcends the physical realm, delving deep into the mental and spiritual aspects of our being. By focusing on the breath, we anchor ourselves in the present moment, fostering a sense of calm and clarity. This mindful breathing is the cornerstone of yoga, guiding us through each movement and posture with intention and awareness. It's more than just physical postures. It's a practice of self-awareness, mindfulness, and inner peace. Each pose, or asana, is designed to open up the body and release tension, creating a harmonious flow of energy. As we move through these poses, we cultivate a deeper understanding of our physical and emotional states, allowing us to address imbalances and promote healing from within. Through flowing sequences of poses, yoga cultivates flexibility, strength, and balance. These sequences, often referred to as vinyasas, are like a dance, seamlessly connecting one movement to the next. This fluidity not only enhances our physical capabilities but also encourages a meditative state where the mind and body move in unison. The practice of yoga teaches us to find balance, not just on the mat, but in our daily lives as well. It also reduces stress, improves sleep, and promotes emotional well-being. The relaxation techniques incorporated in yoga, such as savasana or corpse pose, help to calm the nervous system and release built-up stress. Regular practice can lead to better sleep patterns, increased energy levels, and a more positive outlook on life. By integrating yoga into our routine, we create a sanctuary for ourselves, a space where we can retreat and rejuvenate. There are various styles of yoga, from the vigorous flow of vinyasa to the stillness of yin. Each style offers a unique approach to the practice, catering to different needs and preferences. Vinyasa, with its dynamic sequences, is perfect for those seeking a more intense workout, while yin focuses on deep stretching and relaxation, ideal for those looking to unwind and de-stress. Other styles, such as hatha, ashtanga, and kundalini, each bring their own distinct benefits and challenges. Each style offers unique benefits, allowing you to find the perfect practice to suit your needs and preferences. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, there's a style of yoga that can support your journey towards greater health and well-being. By exploring different styles, you can discover what resonates with you, creating a personalized practice that nurtures your mind, body, and spirit. Embrace the harmony of yoga, and let it guide you towards a more balanced and fulfilling life. Choosing your path: Pilates or yoga. So how do you choose between these two amazing practices? Both Pilates and yoga offer unique benefits that cater to different needs and preferences. It all comes down to your personal goals and what resonates with you. Are you looking for a workout that focuses on building strength, or are you more interested in a practice that promotes relaxation and mindfulness? If you're looking to sculpt a strong core, improve posture, and enhance your overall physical strength, Pilates might be your perfect match. This practice emphasizes controlled movements and precision, making it ideal for those who want to target specific muscle groups. Pilates is also known for its ability to improve flexibility and balance, which can be beneficial for athletes and those recovering from injuries. The focus on core strength can help alleviate back pain and improve overall stability. On the other hand, if you're seeking a holistic practice that combines physical and mental well-being, enhances flexibility, and reduces stress, yoga could be your calling. Yoga offers a variety of styles, from the gentle and restorative to the more vigorous and challenging. Yoga is not just about physical postures. It also incorporates breathing techniques, meditation, and mindfulness practices that can help reduce anxiety and promote a sense of inner peace. It's a great way to connect with your body and mind. The beauty is, you don't have to choose just one. Many people find that incorporating both Pilates and yoga into their routine provides a well-rounded approach to fitness and wellness. You can enjoy the strength-building benefits of Pilates while also reaping the mental and emotional benefits of yoga. You can explore both practices and discover the incredible benefits they offer. Whether you choose to focus on one or blend the two, the most important thing is to find what works best for you and supports your overall health and happiness. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content.